Okay, well here we are. We're cleaning the last of our catch of the day. We were lucky enough to catch 3 salmon today. And this is a hatchery coho silver. And we are in the process of cleaning it now as we slice it up the belly. And this fish happens to be a female. These are the fish eggs that came out of the salmon. And if you come out in the boat and come fishing with me, I will clean your fish for you as part of Dwight's fishing service. So here we are. We have our fish just about cleaned. Next thing you need to do is to take it home and put it on the barbecue. So I'm going to cut the blood out of it. Okay. And there you go. There's a clean salmon, a little bloody, but we'll try and rinse it off here. Okay, a little better. Okay, let's cut the tail off. And we'll cut the head off. And now we'll just throw this in the bag and get it ready for the barbecue.